If you're considering Jogg AI, stop scrolling. Here are 7 crucial things you need to know. Before jumping in, this is one of the most exciting AI software launches I've seen recently, and I'll break down everything, from what it actually does to a few sneaky limitations nobody's talking about. And trust me, by the end, you'll know whether Jogg AI is worth your time. You can also try it completely free using the first link in the description. So what is Jogg AI? In short, it's a just-released AI software that helps businesses automate personalized video content at scale using text prompts. Think of it like having a digital spokesperson who delivers tailored video messages instantly without hiring a full video team. For marketers, agencies, or course creators, this means hyper-targeted outreach, onboarding, or follow-up, all done automatically. One of the biggest advantages is how ridiculously fast and simple it is. You type in a script, choose a face and voice, hit generate, and boom, you've got a professional video ready in minutes. But here's where Jogg AI really separates itself. Every video is personalized. You can insert dynamic variables like name, company, even interests, and the AI actually speaks them naturally. That's a huge step up from generic AI video tools. It's built with marketers in mind. Jogg integrates directly with tools like Zapier, HubSpot, and ActiveCampaign, so you can fully automate campaigns that feel personal. Picture a lead filling out your form and getting a video 10 seconds later saying, "Hey John, thanks for signing up." That kind of touch used to take hours, now it's instant. And the quality? Surprisingly high. The avatars are photorealistic. The voices have real emotional tone, and the lip syncing is tight. Not perfect, but easily good enough for outreach, content, or support. You're not going to film your next Netflix special on it, but for business, it gets the job done really well. But here's something to know before you dive in. Jogg AI is powerful, but it's not cheap if you go beyond the free tier. You're paying for output, so high volume use can stack up. It's also still improving. There's occasional awkward pauses or mismatched expressions depending on the avatar. Just don't expect Hollywood polish. That said, for most use cases, it's the best just released AI software for video personalization I've seen. Here's the part that got me. Jogg doesn't just make videos, it tracks who watched, when, and how long. That means you're not guessing anymore. You're seeing actual engagement data you can use to improve scripts or follow up smarter. And if you're wondering how it compares to other AI tools I've reviewed, like Synthesia, HeyGen, or Pictory, Jogg AI isn't trying to be everything. It's laser focused on personalized video for conversions. And it nails that lane better than most. If you're serious about growing your brand or automating your sales and support, Jogg AI is absolutely worth testing. And again, you can try it totally free with the first link below. I've tested thousands of AI tools, literally, and I've dropped a few of my top recommended AI softwares that you can try for free in the description too. Check those out if you're building something big this year.